As we age, our dietary choices play an increasingly significant role in maintaining overall health and well-being. For individuals over 70, the foods and beverages we consume can directly influence energy levels, immune function, and the management of chronic conditions. Fruit juices are often seen as a convenient way to add nutrients to the diet, but their impact on senior health can vary widely. Some juices offer valuable vitamins and antioxidants, while others may contribute to health risks such as elevated blood sugar or digestive discomfort. Understanding which fruit juices to include and which to avoid is essential for seniors aiming to support their health. Making informed decisions about juice consumption can help promote vitality and reduce the risk of common age-related illnesses. Fruit juices are often seen as a healthy choice, especially for older adults seeking convenient sources of vitamins and hydration. However, not all juices offer the same benefits, and some may even pose health risks. Many commercially available juices contain added sugars or are made from concentrates, which can contribute to weight gain, diabetes, and other chronic conditions. Additionally, certain juices may lack essential fiber found in whole fruits, making them less nutritious. For seniors, it's important to recognize that the nutritional value and safety of fruit juices can vary widely. Making informed choices about which juices to include in the diet can help support overall health and well-being. Sugary fruit juices are often marketed as a healthy choice, but they can pose significant health risks, especially for older adults. These beverages typically contain high levels of added sugars, which can contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of obesity. Excess sugar intake from fruit juices has also been linked to the development of type 2 diabetes, as it can lead to spikes in blood glucose levels over time. Furthermore, regular consumption of sugary drinks is associated with a greater likelihood of cardiovascular diseases, including high blood pressure and heart disease. For seniors, limiting or avoiding fruit juices with added sugars is recommended to help maintain overall health and reduce these risks. High-sugar concentrate juices are often marketed as convenient and flavorful options, but they can pose significant health risks for seniors. These beverages typically contain elevated levels of sugar and lack essential nutrients found in whole fruits. Regular consumption can lead to weight gain and disrupt metabolic processes, increasing the risk of conditions such as type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Unlike freshly squeezed juices, concentrates offer minimal nutritional value and may contribute to spikes in blood sugar. For older adults, choosing whole fruits or pure juices without added sugars is a healthier alternative that supports overall well-being. Unpasteurized juices can pose significant health risks for older adults, primarily due to the potential for foodborne illnesses. These juices may contain harmful bacteria such as E. coli, Salmonella, or Listeria, which are not eliminated during the production process. Seniors, whose immune systems often weaken with age, are especially vulnerable to these infections. Symptoms of foodborne illness can range from mild gastrointestinal discomfort to severe complications, including dehydration and hospitalization. To reduce these risks, it is recommended that older adults choose pasteurized juices, which undergo heat treatment to destroy harmful pathogens. By making this simple switch, seniors can enjoy their favorite beverages with greater confidence in their safety. Consuming citrus juices in large quantities can have unintended effects on digestive health, particularly for older adults. The high acidity found in juices like orange and grapefruit may irritate the lining of the stomach and esophagus, leading to symptoms such as acid reflux, heartburn, or even ulcers. These discomforts can be especially pronounced in individuals who are already prone to gastrointestinal issues. Experts recommend moderation when including citrus juices in the diet, as excessive intake can exacerbate digestive problems. By limiting consumption and choosing less acidic options, seniors can enjoy the nutritional benefits of citrus without risking unnecessary discomfort. For seniors, certain fruit juices can pose health risks and are best avoided. Juices with added sugars, such as many commercial blends, have been linked to increased chances of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Concentrated fruit syrups also tend to be high in sugar and low in nutritional value, making whole fruits or freshly squeezed juices without added sugars a safer choice. Unpasteurized juices may contain harmful bacteria, which can be particularly dangerous for older adults with weakened immune systems, so it's important to select pasteurized options. Finally, consuming citrus juices in excess may lead to digestive discomfort due to their high acidity, so moderation is key. By choosing safer alternatives like whole fruits and pasteurized, low-sugar juices, seniors can support their health and well-being. As we age, making thoughtful choices about our diet becomes increasingly important for maintaining overall health. Fruit juices are often seen as a convenient way to add nutrients to daily meals, but not all juices are created equal. When consumed in moderation, certain fruit juices can provide valuable vitamins, antioxidants, and other health benefits that support the needs of seniors. These beverages may help boost immune function, promote heart health, and contribute to better vision. However, it's essential to select juices wisely and avoid those high in added sugars or low in nutritional value. Understanding which juices to incorporate can make a meaningful difference in daily wellness for older adults. Orange juice is widely recognized for its high vitamin C content, which plays a vital role in supporting the immune system. This essential nutrient helps the body fight off infections and contributes to overall wellness. In addition to its immune-boosting properties, vitamin C also aids in maintaining healthy skin by promoting collagen production and protecting against oxidative damage. A small glass of 100% orange juice can be a nutritious addition to a daily diet, especially for older adults seeking to enhance their immune and skin health. Choosing pure orange juice without added sugars ensures you receive these benefits without unnecessary calories. Pomegranate juice is widely recognized for its impressive antioxidant content, which plays a key role in protecting the body from harmful free radicals. These antioxidants help to reduce inflammation, a factor often linked to chronic conditions such as heart disease. Studies have shown that regular consumption of pomegranate juice may contribute to lower blood pressure and improved cholesterol levels, both important for maintaining cardiovascular health. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties can support overall wellness, particularly in older adults who may be more susceptible to inflammation-related issues. By incorporating pomegranate juice into a balanced diet, individuals can benefit from its protective effects on the heart and circulatory system. Beet juice has gained attention for its potential to support cardiovascular health, especially in older adults. Rich in dietary nitrates, beet juice can help improve blood flow by promoting the dilation of blood vessels. Studies suggest that regular consumption may contribute to lower blood pressure, which is particularly beneficial for seniors at risk of hypertension. Enhanced vascular health not only supports heart function, but may also improve exercise performance and overall well-being. For those seeking natural ways to maintain healthy circulation, beet juice offers a promising option when included as part of a balanced diet. Carrot juice is renowned for its high beta-carotene content, a powerful antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient plays a vital role in maintaining healthy vision, particularly as we age. Regular consumption of carrot juice can help support eye health and may lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Additionally, beta-carotene has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers thanks to its ability to combat oxidative stress and support immune function. Including carrot juice in a balanced diet offers a convenient way to boost vitamin A intake and promote overall well-being. For seniors looking to support their health through diet, 4 juices stand out as beneficial choices: orange juice, pomegranate juice, beet juice, and carrot juice. Orange juice is a rich source of vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system. Pomegranate juice offers powerful antioxidants that may reduce inflammation and support heart health. Beet juice is known for its ability to improve blood flow and maintain healthy blood pressure, while carrot juice provides beta-carotene to promote good vision and overall wellness. It's important to enjoy these juices in moderation and to vary your selections to ensure a balanced intake of nutrients. Incorporating a mix of these options can help seniors maximize the health benefits while minimizing potential risks. For seniors, making thoughtful choices about juice consumption can support overall health and well-being. Moderation is essential, even when selecting juices with known health benefits, as excessive intake can lead to unwanted calories and sugar. Whenever possible, choosing whole fruits over juice is recommended, since whole fruits provide valuable dietary fiber and a more balanced nutrient profile. Fiber aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is particularly important for older adults. Additionally, it's wise to consult with healthcare providers before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you are managing chronic conditions. By following these guidelines, seniors can enjoy the benefits of fruit while minimizing potential risks associated with juice consumption. Before making any significant changes to your diet, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you are managing chronic conditions. Medical experts can provide personalized guidance that takes into account your unique health needs, medications, and potential interactions. This step helps ensure that dietary adjustments support your overall well-being and do not inadvertently cause complications. Healthcare providers can also recommend appropriate portion sizes and suggest alternatives that align with your health goals. Seeking professional advice is a proactive way to maintain safety and achieve the best possible outcomes from dietary changes. Making thoughtful decisions about fruit juice consumption can significantly impact the health and well-being of seniors. By choosing juices that offer nutritional benefits and avoiding those high in added sugars or harmful bacteria, older adults can support their immune systems, cardiovascular health, and overall vitality. Moderation remains essential, as even healthy juices should be consumed in reasonable amounts to prevent excess calorie intake and digestive discomfort. Whenever possible, opting for whole fruits provides additional fiber and nutrients. Consulting with healthcare professionals before making dietary changes ensures that individual health needs are addressed. Ultimately, informed juice choices empower seniors to enjoy the advantages of these beverages while minimizing potential risks.